Good morning. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday. I had a request to make a quiche, and if you don't know what a quiche is, then watch my video and learn what it is, because that is delicious. So hang on and let's get to it. Alright, to make a quiche, you will need 2 deep dish pie shells, a dozen eggs, a half a cup of cheese, probably about a 1/4 cup of chives, and I use half a package of sausage and a little bit of Lowry's. Of course, I'll be using my cutting board and my cheese grater because we'll be using about a cup of grated cheese. So let me grate the cheese up and get the sausage going. Oh, and preheat your oven to 350. And let me go ahead and grate the cheese and get the sausage cooking, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the cheese grated and I've got the sausage going. And thing 1 and thing 2, you want to come help me?
Yeah.
I have some of my grandbabies over here today, and I don't have permission from their mom and daddy to put them on my channel. So, as of right now, her face will be blurred. Keep your face that way, baby. And I can blur you out. It's okay. You don't have to hide. This will be thing 2, and the taller one will be thing 1. And they are going to help us make a quiche. Okay, we need all these eggs cracked and put. Oh, go wash your hands. Don't pick your nose and cook. Yuck. Sorry about that, guys.
Ew, Brooklyn. I just did this.
Watch out for my camera, guys.
I just did this.
Okay, well, wash your hands anyway, because y'all were playing anyway. So.
Can you grab this?
And I'll save you some eggs to put in here.
Okay.
I need to check on that sausage anyway. And there is no set recipe for a quiche, really. You can use sausage, you can use bacon, you can use ham. You could even make an evening quiche and use sausage and mixed vegetables.
I'm not done.
Just have fun and explore. Personally, I like the sausage with the chives, so that's what we're doing today. All right, go ahead, girls.
Okay.
Crack the eggs and put them in this bowl. Try not to get no eggshells in there, okay?
Okay.
Can you reach it, sister?
Yeah, I can reach.
All right.
Okay, what is it?
Just throw them in the sink. And then I clean them up in a little bit. Throw them in the sink. All right. Yeah, we have just the girls today. We have thing 1 and thing 2, and they wanted to get away from their brothers and stay with Nana and Papa, so here they are. Don't touch that skillet. It is hot, Nana. Just cook that sausage over there.
Okay.
So, okay. I'm getting the eggs in there. Uh-oh. All right, we'll clean it up later. Don't step in it. And that's what happens when you have little ones to help you, but it's all good.
Okay.
They'll grow up pretty soon, and they won't have to have time to spend with their Nana and Papa, so just don't cry over spilt milk. Clean up the mess and carry on. All right.
It ain't spilt milk.
I know, it's a terminology, baby.
Oh, okay.
In this case, don't cry over cracked eggs, huh? Okay, thank you. All right, and next we take our chives. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself here. Let's take our wire whisk, and then we want to whisk our eggs. And hang on, thing 1 and thing 2, I'll let you put these in here. All right, thing 1. Thing 1 is going to put our chives in here. Just dump it in here. Oh, wait, there's a hole right there. Go that way. There you go. Okay, set that in the sink over here. Watch out for Nana's camera.
Yeah.
Thing 2, do you want to put cheese in here?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, right here. Put almost all of it in there. Don't put all of it in there. Just put almost all of it in there. You can use your fingers. You just wash your hands. That's fine. Just go ahead. It won't hurt nothing. Just dump it.
All of it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine. If it all comes out, that's fine. Okay, that's good. All right. Then you mix up the
Thing 2.
You mix up the chives and the cheese and the onions, and we have a little bit of poached green. If you're from Oklahoma, then you know what poke green is. If you don't, then you probably won't be using it anyway. So I'm going to take just a little bit of poke green and throw it in my egg mixture. You don't want a whole lot of poke green because it is a little not overpowering, but it's got a little bit of a strong taste to it. Not bad, but I don't know how to explain it. It's really good in here, but just to eat it, no. In salads, it's great. But anyway, you get this mixed up. And then I have my sausage, which it looks like I probably could have used a whole package, but that's okay. Let's see how it looks once I get it in here. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and cook the rest of that sausage and put it in here. So let me pause my video and cook the rest of my sausage, and I'll be right back. Okay, well, it quit recording on me, so anyway, I went ahead and excuse me, cooked the rest of the sausage. I added it in the bowl and mixed it all up, and then we dumped it into the pie shells, and that's what it looks like. Of course, it'll be runny because it's eggs. And like I said, you can use anything you want to. Basically, you can use sausage and ham and bacon, or you can use just bacon, just sausage, just ham. Just explore, have fun. And we'll set the timer for about 45 minutes, and then we'll check it, and we will see what it looks like. And if we need to, we'll go longer. If not, then I will show it to you when it's done. I guess I'll see you in 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, our timer just went off, so let's go check on our quiche and see how it's doing. You girls want to help me?
Yeah, sure.
All right, thing two, grab the flashlight.
Yes, Nana.
And...
I'm thing two. I cannot use it.
All right, hang on, let me turn this around here. Okay, go ahead and turn it on. Thing two, or thing one, open up the oven very carefully, don't burn yourself.
I know.
Okay, thing two, show it. Don't touch the oven. Shine it on the quiche a little bit more, baby. Watch the oven, though. We're gonna go ahead and let it go.
Maybe.
Well, we're gonna go ahead and let it go for about another 5 minutes. So, go ahead and turn the flashlight off. Thing one, you can shut the oven.
Okay.
And we'll see you in about 5 minutes. Okay, let's check it out. You want to turn the flashlight on? You want to open the oven for me?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, shine the flashlight on there. Let's get the knife and do a knife test. What do you think, girls?
Yeah.
It smells delicious, doesn't it?
Nana, can we have a piece?
Yep. Knife looks clean. I think it's done. Okay, stand back so Nana can take it out of the oven. We're just gonna... that looks good. We're gonna, thank you, take it out of the oven, and we're gonna set it up here, and we're gonna let it set for just a few minutes, and then go ahead and turn the flashlight off. Put Papa's flashlight away, baby. We're gonna let it set for a few minutes, and then we'll cut it, and I'll let the girls sample it, and they can tell you how it tastes. They can be our samplers. Again, with this quiche, you could even use hamburger and a can of mixed vegetables, onion, egg, pie shell. You can even do this without a pie shell if you don't have a pie shell. Personally, I think it's much better with the pie shell. But like I said, just play around with the recipe until you find something you really like. And this is what we really like. Of course, I did make one a while back with the mixed vegetables in it, and my husband really liked that one. But anyway, let's wait a few minutes, let this cool off, and I'll give the girls to you and let them give you a review on our quiche. Okay, we are ready to cut this and try it out. Piece or little piece?
May I have a little piece, please?
Got a couple little ones. Have you ever had quiche before?
No.
No? You never had quiche either, sister?
No.
Okay.
I'm a little.
I'll give you guys a little piece.
Okay.
now a taste, and I'll blur your faces, like I said. Be careful, that might be hot, maybe. That's not too bad. There you go.
It's good.
You like it? What you think?
It almost tastes like how yeah, I like it, but my mom actually I did taste quiche before.
Oh, okay.
I like it because my mom made quiche, but it's not pie quiche.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, there you have it. It passes the grandbaby's inspection and taste buds. So let me know if you make one and how you made it and what you made it with. And until next time, have a great day.